What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Dintherough, also known as Diamond in the Rough, and as y'all can see, I'm back with another lock video. So today, y'all, I'm gonna be giving y'all 6 ways to style your short locks. Ooh, some people would consider my hair not short, but I think it's short because it's not like, you know what I'm saying? But as you can see, I have not had a retwist since April, so I'm about 2 going on 3 months with no retwist. So I guess it's like styles you could do with no retwist as well. So for today, I'm literally only going to be using 2, I guess elastic bands or just wraps for your hair. I don't use rubber bands. It'd be hard for me to take them off. Look at my lucky lock, y'all. Aww. This is my lucky lock. It's lucky because you see it's one lock from the root and then it's split here. But yeah, I don't use rubber bands because they pull my hair, and then when I take them out, it be like pieces of my hair in it. So to avoid that, I just use these here. So I got the list of styles in my phone. These are styles that I actually do. I probably don't do 1 or 2 of them, but most of these I usually do if I'm going out. So the first style we're gonna start with is the half up, half down. So you only need 1 hair wrap. And I just start by, ooh. Yeah, I'm not doing my edges, okay? We're gonna get right into the video. I'm not doing my edges. So basically, I like to just grab a good amount of hair and I check in the mirror to make sure it's like even out when you're looking on the side, so it's not like one hair is too much over here or it's too much over here. So let's take a look. I think it's okay. This one is throwing me off. Okay, I think it's good for the sake of the video. Let me know what y'all think. And then I pretty much just, I don't really measure the back like that because I mean nobody's really gonna see, but for the most part I leave it just like this. Make sure it's evened out, and I just go ahead and I wrap it across just like that. Now I do like to wrap it around twice because I like when my hair sticks up like this. Like, it's so cute. Like, look at this. Okay, y'all, I think this is pretty good. So for me personally, I like when my hair is like on my forehead. It's like covering my forehead because I have a big forehead. So I push the ponytail to where like the hair is falling over rather than going back like this. So my hair is literally trained to just like fall forward anytime I put it in a ponytail. So this is style 1, which will be, I guess, called the half up, half down style. If you like this style, rate it down below, rate it 1 through 10. If this is a style you feel like you can rock when you go out. All right, let's go to the next one. So the next style I feel is my personal favorite, and it's just a ponytail. And I'm gonna show y'all why this is my favorite. So like I said, you're only gonna need 1 hair tie. Everybody put their hair in a ponytail different. You know, what works for you works for you. What works for me works for me, okay? So, you know, my hair is so long, it's like Waka Flocka. So most of the time, I just pull it all down and I grab it, and then I go ahead and I wrap it around. Now, obviously, when you do this, you're gonna have to make sure that you're pulling your hairs all the way through. And any hair like this, excess that's not inside of it, once you finish going around, you could just go ahead and just pull them in there. So I just go ahead and pull in whatever's hanging, pull it up, straighten everything that's hanging or in the front. And sometimes, like, I would leave 1 out, or I'll leave like 2 out. And then once you do that, then I'll pull it back a little bit. I prefer to do this style when my hair is like dry because I get a better looking ponytail. When it's wet, it looks soggy. So I don't like it. I know, like, this style, like, it's like sometimes it will look good and sometimes it just won't. But I'm gonna do my best to show y'all. this is actually, this is cool. So yeah, I will leave like 2 out, or maybe like 4 out, so it's like 2 and 2. And then I will wear it like this. So this is a style I'll probably wear if I'm going to work and I don't really want like too much hair in my face. But as y'all can see, again, my hair is trained, so it automatically falls to the front. So everybody's hair is not gonna fall like this. Everybody here won't fall like mine, but because I've been, you know, I've been doing it like this for a minute, it knows to just fall. But then when you see the back, the back is like, let me see, do a 360. The back is like, the back is nothing, but it's not about the back, because who's really gonna be looking at the back is, well, I guess. But yeah, so this is style number 2, and I'll just call it a ponytail. This is what you call like, it's so cute. Like, I love when my hair sticks up. So yeah, this is style number 2. Rate this style 0 through 10. Comment it down below and let me know if y'all rocking with this style. Alright y'all, so we're gonna move on to the next style, and that will be style number 3. Let's go. Alright, so for this style, it's gonna be 2 ponytails, and then you're gonna have the rest hanging in the back. So for that, of course, you're gonna need 2 hair ties. And this is another, you know, quick, simple style. You wanna go out, go into the store or something, whoop, 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 whoop. Even if you get a retwist, this is a little style that you could get for your retwist. So I just grab a good amount. I don't really like to grab too much, but I grab a good amount and I wrap it around once. And I'll do it just like that. But of course, with styles like this, where the front of my hair is out, I will of course do my edges. But like I said in the beginning of the video, I'm not doing my edges. So we're gonna grab the next side and try to make it even, or like the same amount in there. Cause you see this one has like a good amount. Without like a back mirror or somebody looking at the back of your hair, you really won't know if it's like even in the back. And then you gotta also be sure to line the ponytails up to make sure that they're not like half up, half down. So let me look in the mirror. So this is another quick style that I do. Got the 2 ponytails and I got it down in the back. So this is like if I'm gonna dress girly and I'm going out with like my mom or something like that, or if I'm going to church, this is a hairstyle I would probably do. It looks 10 times better if I have my edges done. But if y'all like this style, make sure y'all rate it down below 0 through 10 and let me know in the comments if this is a hairstyle that you feel like you could rock with. And this, I ain't gonna lie, this is a hairstyle that I feel like males and females could do. Well, I don't know. But if y'all rocking with this style, let me know in the comments below. So we're gonna move on to style number 4. Let's get it. Alright y'all, so now we're on to style number 4. And this style is just gonna be the ponytail with the rest hanging down. And I guess people call that the John Morant hairstyle. I don't know, I don't really watch basketball like that. But we're gonna go ahead and show y'all how to do this quick style. You only need 1 hair tie, and it's just as simple as the last one. You can literally use that same hair. Well, I'm using the same hair that I just used in the last style. And you just wrap it in the ponytail just like that. And look at that. I actually used to wear this hairstyle all the time to work, but I don't know, I don't really like it like that anymore. It's cool, like it's calm, like it's cool. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know, but I kind of outgrew this. I used to wear this hairstyle when I first started my locks. When my locks was like half this size is when I used to wear this kind of hairstyle, but I don't really like the look of it anymore. So I don't really wear it like that. But if I were to wear it, I probably wouldn't. But if y'all like this style, man, like I said with all the other styles, make sure y'all leave a comment. Rate it 0 through 10, with 0 being the lowest score. So if this is just a no, like, what? You're not feeling it? Let me know down below. All right, y'all, we got 2 more styles left. Let's get into style number 5. All right, y'all, so now we're on style number 5. And this style is gonna be half up, half down, but instead of leaving the ponytail, it's gonna turn to a bun. So, you could go ahead and grab that same amount of hair the same amount that I've been grabbing this whole video. You could grab more or less. It's really up to you and like how many locks you have. We're gonna go ahead and wrap that over once. And then once we get to that second one, I like to bring it to the front. Ooh. And then you see it kind of get a little crazy. So the hairs that I have that like tend to stick out, I just wrap it around. You know what? Maybe we should leave these styles to the people with the longer locks. And it's okay for a few to stick out. I'm not really feeling this bun. You know what? We finna redo this bun. And this is trial and error. Like sometimes it's not gonna be good the first time you do it. I gotta look in the mirror, y'all. Sometimes you have to do it a few times before you get it how you want it to look. But this style is just not working with me right now. Yeah. Why is it doing this, y'all? And you know what? I'm not about to have my arms out here hurting, but I'm glad that it's not working so y'all can see that, you know, if you decide to try a hairstyle like this that may not work on the first or the second try, and it may not come out right at all. You're gonna have to try something different, but I'm gonna try. Okay, y'all, this is better. We're gonna stick that in. Some people will use pins, but I've never used pins on my hair. We're just gonna stick them in and hope they don't stick out. Okay, whatever. So I guess you could call it like a little messy bun kind of thing. That's how it looks up close. I don't really like this, but cause it's not coming out how I want it to come out. And you know what? That's okay. All styles not gonna work out in your favor. But this is a prime example. This is a prime example of it not working out in my favor right now. You know what? Don't even rate this because this one is trash. You know what? We just gonna go ahead and go to the last one. Don't worry about style number 5 because style number 5 is just not it. Like look at this. Style number 5 is just not it. If your hair is this length, don't even worry about it unless you're using pins. And I'm not using pins. But I'm not pinning my hair. So guess what? I'm gonna rate this style. And I'm gonna rate it 10 out of 10. Look, check me out, right? You see me walking like, dang, look at her hair. On to the last style, and I'm gonna have y'all rate that style 1 through 10, because obviously we know this style is gonna be a 0, because I don't know why it's not styling right now. And that's okay, because it's showing out. It's showing out. But we're gonna move on to the last style, y'all. Let's get it. Alright, y'all, so for this last style, you're gonna need 2 hair ties. And this is not a style that I've ever did before, but I'm gonna try it on camera for y'all to see how we go. So I've seen it on TikTok, right? So they have like hair in the front, and then they have like cool ponytails, right? I hope I'm doing it right. So they have a ponytail here. I ain't gonna lie, this looks trash. Then they have a ponytail. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. Oh, maybe it's supposed to be like, sorry y'all, I'm actually like looking in the mirror. Am I doing this right? Am I doing this right? Like, comment down below if I did this style right. Cause I don't know if I did. But I'm gonna make sure to, where's the rest of the hair? Yeah, I did this style so wrong. I think I put too much hair in the ponytail. Yeah, I don't know if I did. I mean, that's kind of. Comment down below if I did this style right or wrong. I'm gonna make sure I insert pictures of each style that I was attempting and showing y'all. But at the end of it all, if none of these styles work out for you, you can always just thug it out just like this. How I thug it out every day, just like this. Just wear your hair out, y'all. There's nothing wrong with styling it, but let your hair breathe. Let it get some fresh air. It don't want to be trapped all day. I might re-dye it for y'all when I get my next retwist. I don't know. And also, when I get my next retwist, I'm gonna take y'all with me. I'm gonna show y'all my whole process and what I go through when I get my retwist. Thank y'all boys for tuning in. This was just like a quick little video on quick ways to style your locks, a couple different ways if you have short locks. So if you like this video, make sure you tap in, tune in, like the video, comment down below. Show you guys some love, share the video, send it to your boyfriend whose locks is this small. Tell him his locks will never look like this. Tell him he got 10 years to go before his locks get on my level. Tell him that. Tell him I said it. Nah, man. Make sure y'all show some love, man. It's Dintherough. It's Dintherough. And I'm gone. Let's get it.